Feeling tired, low on energy, or just not yourself lately? Iron deficiency could be the reason. Here are 10 science-backed ways women can improve iron levels naturally, all through diet. First up, focus on heme iron. Found in red meat, poultry, and fish, it's the most absorbable type. Beef, chicken liver, and sardines are especially powerful. Boost your iron absorption by pairing it with vitamin C. Think oranges, bell peppers, broccoli, or strawberries with your meals. Skip tea and coffee during meals. They contain tannins that block iron. Drink them between meals instead. Try iron-fortified foods like cereals, breads, or plant-based milks, especially if you're vegetarian or don't eat much red meat. Easy daily boost. Surprise tip: cook with cast iron, especially acidic foods like tomato sauce. It helps leach iron into your food naturally. Load up on spinach, kale, lentils, and chickpeas. These plant-based sources of non-heme iron work best when paired with vitamin C. Calcium competes with iron for absorption, so try not to eat dairy with your iron-rich meals. Snack on dried apricots, pumpkin seeds, or prunes. These little bites pack a solid iron punch. Want even more absorption? Soak, sprout, or ferment your grains and legumes. This reduces phytates that block iron. Heavy periods? You might need more iron than average. Talk to a healthcare provider about your personal needs and whether supplements could help. Boosting your iron doesn't have to be complicated, just smart. Which of these tips are you trying first? Drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more women's health tips.